Start from first.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. I have make water heater. When farmer come at home, they need hot water for washing their face and that. If they don't have a heater, they can use it. When we put in the electrical board, the electricity passes through this wire into spoon and water becomes hot. I have used only one bottle for each spoon and wire and lid. So water becomes it too. Thank you.
Okay.
One box, two holders, two light, one battery, one motor. I take that you if Himachal Pradesh there is 0 degree Celsius winter season we use that room meter. That room will be heat. If farmer come from farm that is also used for that.
Okay.